Welcome, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do a very quick, easy, and inexpensive DIY Christmas-themed Dollar Tree coffee nook. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty in the Boondocks, and today we have another special guest again, my son Eric. Wave at everybody, Eric, and say hi.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. So today Eric is going to showcase things for me, show everyone on the camera. So what we have
is some chocolate spoons, two, of course.
2 sets, okay.
And 2 hot cocoa bombs.
Okay. Here, be still with them so we can see them. Okay, they're from Palmer's. I got those at the Dollar Tree. They were $1 a piece. Okay.
And then we got the premium milk chocolate. The premium milk chocolate.
Hot cocoa. That also came in packs of 4 from the Dollar Tree. And then what else do we have, Eric?
We have these
Swiss Miss Great the Moment hot chocolate.
yeah.
Okay. And then what's the other thing? So yeah, that's the same thing.
And then lastly we have
That is the Godiva. That is peppermint dark chocolate. And those are hot cocoa mixes. Okay. And then we have a basket that we got at the Dollar Tree. And everything was got at the Dollar Tree except for the Godiva hot chocolates. Okay. And then we have this nice sparkly tree from the Dollar Tree.
and we got these.
Oh, those came from the dollar store. They were $3 a piece.
And then we got this Christmas tree.
Yep. And then we have this nice sign here that says, "Let it snow, Winter Wonderland, hot cocoa, fresh cut Christmas trees, build a snowman, and sleigh rides." And everything was $1 except for the Godiva chocolates here. And let me again show you what we've got here. So I've got 2 of those. And then I have 3 of the Swiss Miss. And let's see, quit Eric. And these are just regular hot cocoa mix. And then I got 2 of these hot cocoa K-cups from the Dollar Tree. And then these spoons came from the Dollar Tree. Show them to you.
And then we got the Swiss.
And the hot cocoa bombs. They had lots of those. And then I have this basket sacks. And they come in packs of 2. They have candy canes on them.
And ignore the bird.
So what you do, this is a Dollar Tree DIY. It's a little coffee nook, and it's for people who just want a quick little DIY and it look a little bit fancy, something that's functional that you can fit in a small space. So the first thing,
Why
of
do
course,
we always do stuff at nighttime?
I already have the sign already put up, and you could put that with a thumbtack in the wall or a nail, or you could just hang it up. Then I just align the 2 cups there. You could use 1, and you can always modify this to your liking. But this is just my version of it. So you can take 1 or 2 of the spoons, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line them up
And
the back.
And then we might show the rest at a next video.
And then I put in, for this size basket, 2 of the cocoa bombs, or you could use 1 depending on the size. But I used 2 for this one to work with it a little bit. Okay. And then I put the 2 Godivas in the side, and then the
We showed them the
Swiss Miss over here, like so. So, or it would be the front for this one. Just line them up in here. And so that's what I've got so far. And you can do it your own way. Everybody has their own way of doing things. So I line my cups that way. Put my tree there. And then the 2 K-cup I put in here.
Another time.
And put them in like so. And just kind of line it up. And there you go. It's a little catty cornered. I'll fix that. I got that fixed. So that's your final result there, and you can do it your own way.
And maybe in the next video, we will show
It's
our...
just simple and very inexpensive, but it looks like you went to a lot of effort. So let's kind of look at it from a larger angle here. And then just as a bonus on here, if you wanted to make this a gift, here you go. You get 2 bags for one. I showed you that before, but you could wrap this up in that bag and you just visualize it. You could put the tree in there. Of course, you want a bigger basket, but you could put the tree in there. One of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, one set of those in a mug. But for a bigger basket, you could do bigger ones, and it would be really inexpensive. It would probably be under, I would say, $7 or $8. And then you could add that, like if you had a bigger basket, you could, or you could get a smaller. They had all kinds of them. You could get a smaller little wooden sign, and that would be a nice gift, or a Hostess gift, Secret Santa, that sort of thing. So I hope this is helpful and gives you some ideas, something quick and easy, but looks kind of expensive and fancy. So have a great holiday, and we'll see you soon.
And
oh, Eric can say something.
And maybe in the next video we'll make a part 2 of this.
Maybe we'll do something else Christmas related. We love you guys, and have a good one. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good one. Happy holidays.